Have you ever wondered how expert bookkeeping and payroll services could transform your business? Bookkeeping isn't just about balancing books, it's the backbone of your financial health. Without precise payroll services, businesses risk major legal and financial pitfalls. Let's dive into how Adocyo services can streamline your bookkeeping and payroll processes. Imagine freeing up your time to focus more on growing your business, not just running it. Financial organization is a stepping stone to success. Adocyo and Associates ensures every step is secure. Expert insights from seasoned professionals highlight the benefits of our tailored services. With Adocyo, compliance and efficiency are not just goals, they are guarantees. Step by step, let's break down how we handle the complexities of your financial needs. Join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs who have elevated their businesses with our help. Ready to take the next step? Contact Adocyo and Associates today and ensure your business's financial future.